active. And I'll teach you how to activate your base through exhalation. So the inhalation is into the chest, and exhalation is from the base. In this way, the energy of the inhale descends from above through the frontal line of the body and meets with the strong exhale from the base up in the heart. And this is Hatha Yoga. This is prana meeting apana. Prana is the energy of the inhale and apana is the energy of the exhale. So you will see how these two energies meet in the heart, and when the opposites meet, then you feel the heart. And the heart is your power of feeling who you are, the power of your feeling another human being, of the entire cosmos that you are integral part of. So through proper breathing and through proper moving, you get this feeling of being connected with everything, of not standing apart. You become healed from the trauma of separateness. And this is the basic and first benefit of yoga. You become capable of true relationship. The teacher of my teacher, T.K.D. Deshkachar, said, yoga is relationship and relationship is peace. So the yoga gives you power to find peace in relationship. Not to run away from relationship, but to embrace your reality. So yoga is not some kind of vertical transcendence, running away from experience, running away from relationship, trying to find God knows where. Yoga is to descend from your head into the heart, feel yourself as you truly are, and to move the energy of the base up into the heart and stop being an animal, you know. So if we live from the base without being connected and integrated as the head and the heart, then we are just like animals, actually worse than animals. But if we live only in the head, then we are too intellectual, and we intellectualize too much. And in this way we also build walls between us and the world, and never actually get involved into anything. Only when the head, the power of intellect, meets with the power of creation in the base, in the heart, then we are complete human beings and capable of true relationship. Then we are capable of intimacy with ourselves, other human beings, the universe in general. So this is what yoga is supposed to give us. Not supernatural powers, not merging with God, not enlightenment, just enjoying the peace that we already are. That's all.